If you're following the same tired, outdated sales strategy that the wedding industry has been teaching for decades, like sending a proposal after your consultation, this video is for you. I've built one of the largest planning firms in Orlando, Florida, but for years was frustrated because my sales process felt broken. Leads would come in, but I couldn't understand how to close them consistently because I was following these same tips that we're gonna debunk today. In this episode, I'm exposing 3 popular sales strategies that are keeping you stuck and showing you what to do instead so you can start to have 5-figure sales that lead to consistent 5-figure months. Outdated sales strategy number 1, send a proposal after the consultation. This one is by far the most painful to me because it is such a weak move in your sales process. For years, I followed this advice. I'd get on a consultation call, we'd hit it off, I'd spend 30, 45 minutes crafting this perfect proposal with options inside of it, beautiful, send it over, and crickets. I'd wait and follow up and wait and follow up. And I know so many of you feel this way too, because as wedding pros come into our program and share about how frustrated they are with their process, I'm like, I know exactly what's wrong. Stop sending a proposal. Here's what no one tells you. This isn't selling. This is putting the power back in the client's hands and giving them the time to second guess or price shop or just in general get busy and go MIA. I also think this is terrible customer service. You just asked a client to spend 45 minutes with you inside of a consultation. Then they have to wait for you to send them a proposal. Then they have to try to decipher the proposal, review it together, find time to do that, and then get back to you. And all of that just creates so much friction in the sales process for your client. Here's what to do instead. Close the sale during the call. That's it. It's that simple. Walk them through your offer live right there. Show them the value in the service that you're proposing. Answer objections in real time. And this is the number one reason that so many business owners don't want to do this. They don't want to close on the call because they don't want to hear the objection. The problem with that is that then you can't answer it. You can't overcome it because you have no idea what their objections are. It could be out of budget. It could be not quite the scope of services that they're looking for. It could be bad timing. Whatever it is, you want to be able to handle that objection right there with them during the consultation. Then you ask for the sale. No,
I'll send something over in the next few days for you to review. Go think it over, talk about it, let me know.
No, they came here to make a decision about whether you are the pro for them, and they're interviewing actively to make this decision. So make it easy for them. Close the sale during the consultation. This one is the game changer. This is the one that takes wedding business owners from mediocre, lackluster sales to literally scaling consistent 5-figure months. We do it every single week inside of Wedding Pro CEO. And if it's something that you're interested in learning more about, I want to invite you over to a free training that I have called the Assume Method. And I walk you through this in live time. You can see exactly how I use my words, how I lead a couple to the close, and exactly what you can say inside of your consultations. It's a free video training, takes about 15 minutes to watch. You can head over to weddingproceo.com/free training to register and watch it right there. I promise you that this is going to be the unlock to more sales in your wedding business. Outdated strategy number 2 is to offer 3 packages and let them choose. There's so much that I could unpack here. This is the good old gold, silver, bronze method. And while I do think that every business should have 3 packages because it's kind of the sales psychology of everyone's going to pick the middle package, in the actual sales consultation, it's up to you to be the expert, to lead them to the service that's best going to fit them for what they're looking for. The thing is, too many choices leads to decision fatigue, and decision fatigue leads to ghosting. Or worse, choosing the cheapest option even though it's not the right fit for them. Here's what to do instead. Lead like a pro. You're the expert. You do this every single weekend. You know what they need based on all of the discovery questions that you've asked during your consult. And yes, if you're listening to this and thinking, I don't do discovery questions, go watch my free training that I talked about a few minutes ago, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that discovery as well. But when you dive deep into understanding what their pain points are, what they're struggling with, what they need, and what they're looking for, it makes it really easy for you to know which of your services is going to be perfect. And then you sell that to them. You don't give them 3 options. You don't even give them 2 options. You literally say, based on everything you've told me, and this one pain point that you've shared with me. This is the service that I think is going to be best for you. And here's why. And then you explain why. You're guiding the sale. You're not leaving it up to them to figure out. Remember that most of the clients that sit down with you for a consultation are doing this for the first time. It's something that's super unique about our industry is that most of our clients have never planned a wedding before or even planned a large scale event. So they're looking for you to tell them what they don't know. When you become that expert and you guide them to a sale, I promise you that your conversion rate will skyrocket. You're the pro. They're hiring you for clarity, not confusion. An outdated strategy number 3 that has been taught in the wedding industry for way too long is to show all of the features that you can provide inside of each of your packages. And this one makes me absolutely nuts. I used to sit in consultations and rattle off all of the bullet points that were included in our packages. I used to make sure that our pricing guide had more bullet points than our competition. But the reality is most of the pros that couple is interviewing are doing the exact same thing. Yes, you may provide an extra hour or you may provide an extra assistant. The fact is, for the most part, we all do the same thing. So how are you unique? How are you actually providing the value that they're looking for? What will make you stand out is that instead of you going through all of the bullet points in your package that they could read when you send them the contract, what you want to do instead is help them to understand how you uniquely provide exactly what they're looking for based on what they told you that they want their wedding to be like. Here's the thing. No one buys because of the features. They buy because of the outcome. They want to know how they're going to feel. So it's your job to sell the transformation for them instead of just all of the features. Think about it like this. If you were trying to convince your spouse or your partner that you wanted to go on a big family vacation next year, you wouldn't say, hey, I have a great idea. I think that we should research Venice and all the things to do there. Then I think we should get hotel rooms for about 9 nights. Then we should book airline tickets. We should make sure that we pack appropriately. We might have to buy more suitcases. All these things, right? You're not talking about all of the steps. You're going to say something like, I have an incredible idea. I think we should go to Venice next year so that we can explore all of the food, the incredible streets, and have this epic family vacation where we can make memories together. It's going to be our last summer with our kids in the house. What do you say, right? You're painting the transformation. You're painting the picture. You're not saying all of the things that go into it to get you there. And this is exactly the same when you're selling your services. You want to sell the outcome, the transformation. So when you're talking about the wedding, instead of saying, we'll be there for 8 hours, we're going to provide a planning portal, no one cares. Everyone does that, literally. Instead, what I want you to say is, oh my gosh, you guys, our full service planning is perfect for you. And here's why. I know that you said that Aunt Sally likes to be involved, but she can be a real challenge on wedding day. So one of the things that we're really good at is handling Aunt Sally's. So we're going to make sure that she has jobs. So she feels important, but she's also not hanging out in your bridal room all day. That's part of just getting to know your family. We're really good at handling that for you. And that's it. And then you're going to go for the sale. You're going to say, I can't wait to meet Aunt Sally. You guys, this is going to be such an amazing day. I can't wait to see you together with all of your friends and family. It is going to be amazing. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and send a contract over via email today. You can sign everything, review it online, and then we'll get started on your planning. This is how you lead that couple to a sale. You take charge. You create the process. You are the reason that people are going to buy, not your bullet points. They want to know how you can deliver the perfect wedding that they've described. Okay, so what did we learn in this episode? Number 1, stop sending proposals. Start closing during the call. Number 2, don't give them choices. Lead them to the one best service that's perfect for them. And number 3, stop selling your bullet points and start selling the transformation. This is what we teach inside of Wedding Pro CEO, how to sell with confidence, finally start closing high ticket clients, and how to lead your business like a CEO. If you're ready to ditch the old tired strategies and start using the ones that are going to book you 5-figure months consistently, head over to weddingproceo.com/application, fill out a few questions about your business, and book a time to chat with one of my team members so that we can dig into your business, help you to figure out where the gaps are and what we can do to help you really hit that revenue goal that you've set for yourself this year. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe wherever you're listening to this episode. And you guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time. In this episode, hang on, I'm texting Hannah back. Okay.